Have you ever walked up to a business with two perfectly good entrances, only to find one of them locked for seemingly no reason? Usually, there actually is a reason. A lot of businesses lock certain doors because they don't have enough employees to watch multiple entrances. Fewer open doors makes it easier to monitor customers, prevent theft, and make sure people aren't walking into areas staff can't see. Sometimes it's also about traffic flow. Stores may want everyone entering near the registers, security cameras, or customer service desk. And in some cases, that second entrance used to serve a department or section that doesn't exist anymore, but redesigning the entire front of the building would cost way more than just locking the door. There can also be safety or maintenance reasons, like a broken automatic door, construction, or problems with the parking lot outside. So that completely normal looking locked entrance probably isn't pointless. It's usually cheaper and easier for the business to make everybody use one door. Please thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.